Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 2, Variables and Data Types in C. A variable is a name given to a memory location used to store data. Its value can change during program execution, and every variable must be declared before use. Declaring a variable tells the compiler its data type and name. Initializing means assigning it an initial value, like int age equals 25. C provides several basic data types including int for integers, float for decimals, char for single characters, and double for large floating point values. Variable names can include letters, digits, and underscores, but must start with a letter or underscore. C is case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase names are different. This diagram represents how a C program is compiled and executed, just like in the previous episode. Here is an example that declares a variable and prints its value using printf. When this program runs, it displays the value of the variable stored in memory. In this example, three variables of types int, float, and char are declared and printed using printf. The output of example 1, declaring and printing variables is as follows: age 25, height 5.9, grade A. Here, a variable named number is declared and later updated to a new value, showing that variables can change during program execution. The output of example 2, changing variable values is as follows: initial value 10, updated value 25. This example shows how to declare and use multiple integer variables together to perform arithmetic operations. The output of example 3, using multiple variables is as follows: sum of 5 and 7 is 12. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Declare 3 integer variables and print their sum. Use addition of integer variables and display the result with printf. Exercise 2. Write a C program to store and print your name, age, and percentage. Use printf for output and choose correct data types for each value. Exercise 3. Declare a float variable to store temperature and print it with 2 decimal points. Use printf format specifier %.2f for decimal precision. Exercise 4. Create a program that changes the value of a variable and prints both old and new values. Assign a new value to an existing variable and show both values. Exercise 5. Declare a character variable to store a grade and display it using printf. Use %C format specifier to print a single character. Thank you for watching episode 2. In the next episode, we will explore constants and operators in C programming.